To use an Apple gift card for PUBG Mobile 2025, you will need to follow these steps. First, make sure you have an Apple gift card and that it has sufficient funds to cover your purchase. You should also ensure that your Apple ID is set up and that you are signed in to the App Store on your device. Next, open the App Store on your device and navigate to the PUBG Mobile page. Tap the Get button next to the game icon and then tap the Price button to purchase the game or make an in-app purchase. You will be prompted to select a payment method, so tap the Use Gift Card option. If you do not see the Use Gift Card option, you may need to redeem your gift card first. To do this, go to the App Store, tap your profile icon, and then tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. Enter the gift card code and tap Redeem to add the funds to your Apple ID account. Once you have redeemed your gift card, go back to the PUBG Mobile page and attempt to make your purchase again. This time, you should see the Use Gift Card option as a payment method. Select this option and confirm your purchase. After completing your purchase, the funds will be deducted from your Apple gift card balance. You can check your remaining balance by going to the App Store, tapping your profile icon, and then tapping your name. Scroll down to the iTunes and App Store section and tap your Apple ID to view your account balance. It is essential to note that Apple gift cards can only be used to purchase items from the App Store, including in-app purchases for PUBG Mobile. You cannot use an Apple gift card to purchase items directly from the PUBG Mobile website or from other online stores. By following these steps, you can easily use an Apple gift card to purchase items for PUBG Mobile 2025. Remember to always keep track of your gift card balance and to use your funds before they expire.